guys, I wanted to show you how to attach an SSD to a Dell optiplex 5050. I think it's the same thing for 5060. And go on, you remove the bay. You see it goes there, and what you do is just do 2 holes from underneath. It should be safe enough, it shouldn't move, and you attach the SSD underneath, because you're gonna get clearance. It's gonna be there when you put it on, like that, and it should do the job, and you don't have to pay like a Dell dock or whatever that's gonna cost you, I don't know, 10 bucks, 15 bucks. And at the same time, you keep this place, so you can put a bigger hard drive inside. So that's it. And if you have a problem with how to attach another cable for Sata, another drive, you will have to buy a splitter. You see, it just connects the one plug you have, and it splits 2 drives, so you have an SSD and you will have the other one. So it should work. It's a $5 item, or if you buy it from AliExpress or whatever, it's gonna cost you like $1, but it's gonna take like 1 month to get there. So that's it. It should save you a few bucks, and it should work. That's it. Have a nice day. And here it is. Big hard drive there. You still keep your DVD writer, and underneath you have an SSD. You still can put an NVMe inside, but if you don't have one, it's a cheaper solution, I guess. Okay guys, enjoy.